requesting Shri Mihirvardhan ji to speak before we call out the names.
As Honorable Governor said, he has announced financial aid to dialysis patients, and these checks are given during his visits of the Goa Sampurna Yatra. So far, we have given in all the constituencies, and Honorable Governor is pleased to announce that 19 people will now be receiving the checks. To be announced now.
Thank you, sir. I'll announce the names, requesting the patients to kindly receive the checks at the hands of Governor Sandeep Kumar. Requesting Suresh Devu Kadam to be ready next. Sandeep Kumar. Suresh Devu Kadam. Rukhsar Sayyed. Requesting Rukhsar Sayyed to come next. Baliram Harihar Kushwaha. Rupchand Bhartiya. Baliram Harihar Kushwaha, and then Rupchand Bhartiya. Next we have C.S. Srikumar. On his behalf, his son is going to receive the check. On behalf of C.S. Srikumar, his son is going to receive the check. Next we have Devanand M.G. Dorado. Digambar Arjun Hayankar. Dilip Vasudev Nasarkar. Namrata Nityanand Kadam. Pritam Gangaram Desai. Balguriya Sangsani. Pritam is not come. Pritam Gangaram Desai, then Balguriya Sangsani. After that, requesting Peter Paul Fernandez. Peter Paul Fernandez. Apollina D'Souza. Peter Paul Fernandez. Apollina D'Souza. Antonio Di Costa. Antonio Di Costa. Sneha Desai. Next, on behalf of Prakash Singh Thakur, his son is going to receive the check. And last we have Lorenzo Lucas. Thank you so much. J.K. Chesterton said, I will maintain the thanks for the highest form of thought. I request the dignitaries to kindly come and take their seats on the dais. We once again thank His Excellency Governor Shri Pillai for being so kind and wholeheartedly dedicated towards the cause of dialysis patients. Thank you, sir. Gratitude is happiness doubled by wonder. And now we would like to thank our Governor for being here and for sharing his experience and helping the newly elected members under his guidance. I request Honorable Minister for Panchayat, Shri Mohan Gadino, to offer a token of love to our guest, His Excellency Governor Shri Sridharan Pillai. We are presenting the symbol of Goa, the traditional flag. And it's a motive. And rising up. We hope that this memento will remind you always of love from Goa. Thank you. Thank you, sir. I now request Ms. Anita Thora to propose the vote of thanks at this juncture.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's my privilege to be present at this function and propose vote of thanks. I would like to thank His Excellency, Honorable Governor of Goa, Shri P. H. Sridharan Pillai and Mrs. Pillai for undertaking full day tour of our Manapur Taluka today, and also gracing this function and having interaction with our newly elected Sarpanches of Chikali and Chikona Bangladesh. Your valuable words boost their morale and help them do their duties in rightness manner. Thank you, His Excellency. I would also like to thank on this occasion our Honorable Minister for Industries, Transport, Panchayats and Protocol, as well as GST member of Council and Group of Ministers, Mobil Budino, who has, as a Panchayat Minister, has brought tremendous change in Panchayat's working system in all over Goa. Under his able leadership, I am sure newly elected our Panchayat members, not only these two Panchayats, but entire Panchayats in Goa will be looking at him for taking Panchayats at higher and higher new level. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. My thanks extends to Video Prasid Naik, who and his entire team, who has organized this beautiful function. My thanks also extends to Sarpanch of Chikali, Bangla Prasad Yadav, members of Village Panchayat Chikali, Nazira, Chikolna, Mundalo, both the Panchayat secretaries and each and every member present here, all Panchis newly elected, I extend my thanks to all of you. As well as I extend my thanks to the press media for their really beautiful coverage for our function. Thank you, each and everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. I once again request everyone to kindly stand for the national anthem. Once again, the team must wave the flag of the national anthem. Thank you.
Sir. Jangan. Boleh. Remote is Uru. एक मिनट सर तो उन्हें तो जगह मस्त एक मिनट मैं पीछे गया माइक सर आना sir 1 minute
Sir, today you have come to Chikalim Panchayat, you have interacted with the Panch members, a lot of them are fresh faces. Any particular advice for them? What is the purpose of your visit today?
To do service to the people, irrespective of politics, caste, creed. If elected, then they are representing the entire people of their ward or community. So that is the concept of our democracy. Ministers and all officials, they are expected to render justice to all. No discrimination, nothing. So these people are young, they can do wonders in this conference. So I have started after this election, for the last 2 months I have stopped writing. So again I started today here, after some other conference. I am inviting all the MLAs and other ruling party or opposition party. Their active participation we are doing. So within 6 months, God permits me, if God permits me, I will complete the tour in panchayats. That means that will be a classic example for our system. Go to the people. People are there is as far as MLA is concerned. I reached here on July 15th last year. I know about him. He's a hard-working people's representative, and Rajbhavan is always helping any scheme is planning. I can convey it to the central government or the state government. In between government and people, especially central government, I will have to bridge. That bridge will act upon.
So you also spoken about the GST contribution done by Bhavin Budinoji. Anything on that you want to say, sir? The
It's a very good job. Hard-working, committed politicians are there. Committed politicians, I mean, committed to the nation, committed to Goa, and committed to the people. So that commitment, so many politicians are there in Goa. I think he is also one of them. I congratulate him.
Thank
Sir,
you.
thank you. Please.
Sir, कौन है ना? So, I have a program called Governor and he's interacting with the punch members.
I also praised you, sir. What do you want to say?
It is basically a great encouragement that the number one person of a state comes and encourages the newly elected panchayat members coming down to the grassroots level. I think it augurs very well for a functional democracy. India being one of the best functional democracy, largest democracy, it speaks volumes of his good intention. I thank Sridharan Pilleji for having spared his time and enthusing all my people. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.